Hello, Abhishek here with the last part of this series. In this video, we will learn how to improve the current layout as per the material design components. Without any delay, let's begin. First, add the dependency of the material design components to your project. For that, go to the app level Gradle file and scroll to the bottom and put the dependency in the dependencies block. There are two Gradle files. One is project level and another one is app level. Make sure that you add the dependency to the app level Gradle file. You can find the dependency in the description. I have already added the material design dependency. Now change the theme of the application. By default, it will have AppCompat theme. Change it to material components. For this, go to the rest directory, then values, then styles.xml. Go to the app theme tag. It should be the first one. Change the theme from AppCompat to material components. Now change the colors of the theme. For that, go to the colors.xml, which is inside the same folder, that is values. Open it and change the three colors, that is colorPrimary, colorPrimaryDark and colorAccent. The values are given in the description as well. Now go to activity_main.xml, update the first number edit text, wrap it around the text input layout, set the ID as first number layout. Cut and paste the edit text attributes to the text input layout like width, height and margin. Now update the edit text with the TextInputEdittext and set the dimension as match parent. Also update the ID to first number edit text. Repeat the same for the second number. Duplicate the first layout. Update the IDs from first number layout to second number layout and first number edit text to second number edit text. Earlier we displayed a toast. Now we will use one of the feature of the text input layout, error. To set the error in the edit text, go to activity_main, then inside the set on click. Remove the toast and set the error message using first edit text.error is equal to first number field is empty. Repeat the same for the second edit text. Next, update the spinner. For that, wrap it around text input layout just like the edit text view. Set the dimensions as wrap content. And set the style as @style/widget.materialComponents.textInputLayout.outlineBox.dense.expose drop menu. Additionally, the text input layout should have an autocomplete text view as the direct child. Set the dimensions as width as match parent, ID as operator spinner, and set the input type as none. Now set a custom layout for the menu items. For that, create a layout file in the layout folder, right click, then new, then layout resource file. Give it a name as Dropdown Menu item. As you can see, it is a simple text view with styling attributes. I won't be teaching you how to create a text view here. I already have the code for this. Please find the same in the description. Copy and paste inside the resource file. Go to setup spinner method, then to the constructor of array adapter and update the layout with the one we just created using r.layout.dropdown_menu item. You can merge the creation of array adapter and the assignment. For that, remove val adapter Create an also block, set the adapter like this. Then set the default value to the drop-down menu. Go to the also block and add operator spinner.setText operators 0, false. This will basically set the value of the 0th index of the list, which is add. Now let's update the last component, that is a button. You need to create a background and set it on the button. For this, create an XML file in the drawable folder, which is inside the rest directory. Right click and then new drawable resource file. Give it a name as buttonBackground.xml. Replace the parent tag with shape and set the attribute shape as rectangle. Then inside the shape tag, create another tag as solid and set the color attribute to @color/colorAccent. Now add the curve to the corners by adding a tag corner and set the attribute radius to 10 dp. Now go to activity_main.xml and go to the button tag. Set the background as @drawable/button_background. Now your background is set. Run the application to view the changes. There is one error in the application that needs to be fixed. You can pause the video and find out yourself. Let me show you the bug. If you run the application and click on the calculate button, it shows an error as expected. Put the value in the edit text and then click on the button. It displays the result, but error is not gone. There are two ways to fix it. First, the easier one, that is remove the error as soon as the button is pressed, and if there is an error, it will be enabled again as per the logic. This is a fine solution, but I don't prefer it. The more logical solution would be to set a text listener to the edit text. The work of the text listener interface is that the method of the interface are triggered when there is a change in the view, here edit text. So go to Java, then package name, and then right click on new Kotlin file to create a new file. Name it as hideerrorline.kt and press enter to create it. Implement the text watcher interface. It is showing an error as we have not implemented the methods of the text watcher. Click on the name of the class and press Alt plus enter, and then select import members. It will show the list of members that can be overridden. Select all of them and press enter. The text input layout is handling the error. We would need a reference of it to hide the error. So take the text input layout as parameter. Go to the onTextChanged. This function is called when the text is changed. So put layout.isError enabled and set the value as false to hide the error. By this, the error will be removed or hidden as soon as the text changes. Add a change listener to the edit text. So type first number edit text dot add text change listener. It takes text watcher as the parameter. So type hide error line and pass first number layout as the parameter. Repeat the same for the second edit text. Your layout is completed. Good job. Run the application to check it out. Hope you guys learned something new today. Please hit like and subscribe to support me and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video. Happy coding.